Did you know that a significant 78% of employees believe that sharing meals with colleagues has a positive impact on workplace morale? This phenomenon highlights the importance of social bonding and community building in the workplace. When employees share meals, they have opportunities to interact with colleagues from different departments and levels, fostering a sense of unity and teamwork. This Thanksgiving, let's harness the power of food to transform your office into a hub of happiness and team spirit, where we turn your office Thanksgiving party dreams into delicious reality. Whether you're in charge of organizing the festivities or if you are HR or an employee just looking to contribute a wow-worthy dish, we've got you covered with irresistible office Thanksgiving menu ideas and recipes that impress everyone at the work party. From breakfast to dinner, and from appetizers to salads, we'll guide you through a feast that's perfect for any office team size. Without a further ado, let's dive in. Here are 30 office Thanksgiving menu ideas your team will be thankful for in this grateful season. First, begin your office feast with appetizers that set the stage for what's to come. 1. Stuffed mushrooms. Combine cream cheese, garlic, and herbs stuffed into mushroom caps. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for 20 minutes. Serve these bite-sized delights to 10 to 12 people. 2. Cranberry brie bites. Fill mini phyllo pastry cups with brie and a dollop of cranberry sauce. Bake until the cheese bubbles. This recipe is perfect for 15, ensuring no one misses out on this gooey goodness. Start the day with a breakfast that energizes and delights your team. 3. Pumpkin spice pancakes. Mix 5 cups of flour with pumpkin puree, cinnamon, and nutmeg. Cook on a greased skillet until golden. Serves 20 to 25, perfect for a morning meeting. 4. Apple cinnamon muffins. Stir diced apples into a cinnamon sugar batter. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. These muffins serve the team of 15 to 20 and are an ideal grab-and-go option for busy mornings. Bridge the gap between breakfast and lunch with these brunch ideas that will have everyone asking for seconds. 5. Sweet potato hash. Sauté cubed sweet potatoes with onions and peppers. Top with poached eggs for an office-friendly dish that serves up to 20 people. 6. Spinach and feta quiche. Blend eggs, spinach, and feta in a pie crust. Bake until set. This savory quiche serves 8 and pairs perfectly with a side salad. Make lunchtime the main event with these Thanksgiving-inspired dishes that won't leave anyone reaching for the takeout menu. 7. Turkey and cranberry wraps. Layer turkey slices, cranberry sauce, and lettuce in a wrap. Roll and slice for a convenient meal serving up to the team size of 38. Butternut squash soup. Puree roasted squash with cream and a hint of nutmeg. This velvety soup serves more than 30 people, offering a warm hug in a bowl. As the sun sets, let these dinner ideas bring your office Thanksgiving to a delightful close. 9. Herbed turkey breast. Rub turkey breast with herbs and roast until juicy. Serves 10 to 15, perfect for smaller teams craving traditional flavors. 10. Maple glazed carrots. Roast carrots drizzled with maple syrup and thyme. This side serves 20 and adds a sweet touch to your dinner spread. Reimagine the turkey tradition with these creative interpretations. 11. Turkey meatballs. Mix ground turkey with breadcrumbs and herbs. Bake until golden, serving 15 as an appetizer or entree. 12. Turkey taco bar. Offer seasoned turkey, tortillas, and toppings. This interactive meal serves 12 and lets everyone customize their own taco. When it's a potluck, these dishes ensure you're the star contributor. 13. Green bean casserole. Mix green beans with cream of mushroom soup and crispy onions. Serves 12, a nostalgic nod to tradition. 14. Cornbread stuffing. Combine cornbread with celery and sage. Bake until crispy. This stuffing serves 10 and pairs well with any main dish. These sides are so good, they might just upstage the main course. 15. Garlic mashed potatoes. Blend boiled potatoes with garlic and butter until creamy. Serves 15, a comforting classic. 16. Brussels sprouts with bacon. Roast Brussels sprouts with bacon bits for a savory side that serves more than 10 people, adding a modern twist. Ensure everyone is included with these vegan-friendly dishes. 17. Quinoa and roasted veggie salad. Toss quinoa with roasted vegetables and a lemon dressing. Serves up to 12, satisfying plant-based eaters. 18. Vegan pumpkin curry. Cook pumpkin with coconut milk and spices. Serves 10, offering a warm, exotic flavor profile. Break away from the ordinary with these inventive ideas. 19. Stuffed acorn squash. Fill acorn squash with quinoa and cranberries. Bake until tender. Serves 6, a creative alternative to turkey. 20. Cauliflower gratin. Bake cauliflower with a cheesy bechamel sauce. Serves 10, turning a humble vegetable into a standout dish. Add a fresh touch with these salads that celebrate the season. 21. Harvest salad. Mix greens with apples, walnuts, and a maple vinaigrette. Serves 8, refreshing and crisp. 22. Roasted beet and goat cheese salad. Combine beets with goat cheese and arugula. Serve 6, offering earthy flavors. Make your office Thanksgiving special with baked goods that double as a sweet thank you to your colleagues. 23. Cranberry orange scones. Blend cranberries into an orange zest dough. Bake until golden. Serves 12, the perfect tea companion. 24. Mini pumpkin pies. Fill mini crusts with pumpkin filling. Bake and cool. Serves 15, giving everyone a taste of tradition without the fuss. Conclude with desserts that ensure your office Thanksgiving finishes on a high note. 25. Pumpkin cheesecake bars. Swirl pumpkin puree into cheesecake mix, bake, and cool. These bars serve 15, hitting the sweet spot perfectly. 26. Pecan pie bites. Fill mini pastry shells with pecan filling. Bake until golden. This bite-sized treat serves 20, making it easy to sample multiple desserts. To make your feast unforgettable, here are more office Thanksgiving menu ideas that balance tradition with a twist. Picture this: a fragrant spread that includes succulent roasted turkey sliders, a zesty cranberry quinoa salad, creamy pumpkin soup, buttery mashed sweet potatoes, and a classic apple pie that Martha Stewart would envy. These dishes cater to diverse tastes, ensuring everyone from the fitness fanatic to the dessert devotee leaves satisfied and grateful. There you have it, a complete guide to hosting the ultimate office Thanksgiving party. Now it's time to roll up your sleeves and start cooking. Share your culinary masterpieces on social media with #OfficeThanksgivingFeast and tag your colleagues. Let's make this Thanksgiving a delicious memory for everyone. Happy cooking and gobble till you wobble.